So here I am with another build from Buzzard Models. This is a plane called the Fokkerish DR1. He really cuts his foam really well. Very clean kit, and here I'm taking everything out of the package. I ended up building two of these planes, one for a good friend of mine. It was a lot of fun. I really enjoy building his models just because they're so well cut. I actually cut out my own decals, and I also airbrushed the planes, and I 3D printed my small guns that I put on both planes, and also put in a different looking pilot that he put in with the kit. I thought this one looked just a lot better, and you can see the pilot here. It was just a lot of fun. It's really fun to see this plane in the air. So here I am actually getting ready to do its first flight, and I did some video just kind of showing you around the plane. You'll see both of the airplanes actually flying in the gym, and they're very slow at flying, so really easy to maneuver, super simple to fly. So take a look at the rest of the video and enjoy, and thanks for watching.
Made him with a Fokkerish. It's a DR1 from Buzzard Models. So here we are with its first flight. There it is.
Look at that thing.
Welcome to Bethany.